As a tech executive, you know that goal setting and strategy development are essential to your success. But what if you could do it in half the time? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set goals and develop strategies like a pro in no time. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Process Mahoney, and I'm the top business coach for tech executives just like you. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that goal setting and strategy development are essential to success. But who has time for all that? Not me, that's for sure. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set goals and develop strategies like a pro in half the time. Sound good? Let's get started. The first step is to figure out what you want. Take some time to think about where you want your business or career to be in the next 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years. Consider what your ideal outcome looks like and how it would make you feel. Write down all those ideas on paper. The more detailed you are, the better. When you don't know what you want, any road will take you there. That's what my mom always told me, and throughout life, I found that to be a very accurate statement. That's why you cannot skip this step like most people. Now that you have a vision, it's time to set some goals. Start by breaking down your big goals into smaller, more achievable ones. This will make it easier for you to track your progress and stay motivated. Then set deadlines for yourself so that you keep on top of things without getting overwhelmed. Use the SMART system of goal setting. You have likely heard of it before, but for those of you hearing the term for the first time, allow me to explain what the SMART system is. SMART system is a way of setting goals. This means that your goals should be specific, able to be measured, achievable, relevant, and have a set time for accomplishment. Doing this will help you focus on what you want to achieve. It's time to create an action plan. Think about what steps are necessary in order to achieve each goal and then assign tasks to them. Make sure to give yourself enough time for each task. You don't want to rush things too much or get behind schedule. Once your plan is complete, it's time to start taking action. Now that you have a plan, it's time to develop a strategy. Start by analyzing your goals and objectives and making sure that they align with each other. Then look at the resources available to you, time, money, people, and create a plan for how to utilize them in order to achieve your goals. Finally, think about how you can measure success and adjust your strategy accordingly. The last step is to execute the plan. Now this means doing whatever it takes to make sure your vision is a reality. It won't be easy, but if you stay focused and remember why you set out in the first place, success will come your way. As you proceed with executing your plan, make adjustments to it. Record those so that your next iteration will be improved. Continue to do this each time you execute your goal completion plan. This will enable you to have a flawless plan after just a few iterations. Make sure to evaluate your progress and make changes as needed. It's okay if you don't achieve all of your goals right away. Just take the time to reflect and figure out what went wrong so that you can adjust for the next time. With practice and patience, success is within reach. Now perhaps your goal is too much of a stretch. Just adjust it accordingly. Maybe the deadline wasn't realistic. Adjust that as well. These are your goals, so do what you want. You need to make them fit into the SMART system so that you will be able to achieve each of them. Most importantly, don't forget to celebrate your successes. As you accomplish each goal, take the time to reflect on what you have achieved and how far you have come. This will help motivate you for future goals and give you the confidence to keep pushing forward. Taking the time to plan out your goals and create an actionable strategy is a great first step in achieving your dreams. It may not always be easy or straightforward, but with perseverance and dedication, success will eventually come your way. So, start planning out your steps today. You'll be amazed at what can happen in just 6 months. Happy goal setting. Now, if you got value out of this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime new videos come out from top tier coaching services.